This is ANN News Brief.
Thousands of Tunisian health workers in public hospitals have begun holding a strike action across Tunisia. The health workers are demanding improvements in the health sector amid the coronavirus pandemic. On Thursday, doctors, nurses, and technicians gathered outside the health ministry in the capital, Tunis, to call for better working conditions as they continue to tackle the COVID-19 outbreak. Tunisia lifted most of the restrictions put in place to combat the spread of the virus this week. The country has suffered a relatively low level of coronavirus infections with 1,132 cases and 50 deaths. Cameroonian military says at least 24 separatist fighters have been killed during an offensive in the Anglophone parts of the country. An Army General Valery Unka said 13 separatists were killed in a 5-day operation along a road leading to neighboring Nigeria, and 11 others were killed in a separate attack on a rebel base. One Cameroonian soldier was killed as the military suffered casualty. Separatists have been fighting for an independent Anglophone state called Ambazonia. More than 3,000 persons have been killed during a 3-year rebellion. 250,000 persons are reported displaced. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa has condemned violence against women and children in his country following recent spate of murders targeting women and children. Ramaphosa said abuse against women and children is a war and brutality that defies comprehension. He said he is appalled at what is no less than a war being waged against the women and the children of the country. South African police say murders of women have spiraled since the start of June when lockdown restrictions were loosened. The president has called on the nation to become more active in the fight against gender-based violence. He said, quote, "By looking away, by discouraging victims from laying charges, by shaming and insulting women for their lifestyle choices or their style of dress, we become complicit in these crimes," end quote. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.